Hey there, folks. Are you tired of sending your kids to a crowded school where they're just a number? Do you wish your children could have a fully customized education that suits their needs and interests? Well, have no fear. Home education is here. Now I know what you're thinking. But wait, won't my kid miss out on socializing with other children? Let me tell you, home educators are a tight-knit community, and there are plenty of opportunities for your kids to socialize with their peers outside of a traditional classroom setting. Plus, who's to say that socializing while sitting in a desk for 6 hours a day is the best way to develop social skills? But let's get to the real benefits of home education. Firstly, customization is key. With home education, you have complete control over your child's curriculum. Whether your kid is a math whiz or a budding artist, you can tailor their education to their strengths and passions. This means your child won't be spending time on concepts they've already mastered, and can instead focus on the subjects that interest them most. Secondly, flexibility is a huge perk of home education. Got a family vacation planned during the school year? No problem. With home education, you can take breaks whenever you need to. Plus, your child won't have to miss out on valuable instruction time. Lessons can be scheduled around your family's schedule. Another huge benefit of home education is individual attention. With large class sizes, teachers simply don't have enough time to give each student the one-on-one attention they need. With home education, you can devote all your attention to your child's individual needs. This means you can identify problem areas quickly and work on them together. Another huge benefit of home education is individual attention. With large class sizes, teachers simply don't have enough time to give each student the one-on-one attention they need. With home education, you can devote all your attention to your child's individual needs. This means you can identify problem areas quickly and work on them together. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate benefit of home education: freedom. Your child will have the freedom to learn at their own pace, without the pressure of competition or standardized tests. They can pursue their interests and passions with enthusiasm and without fear of failure. Plus, you'll have the freedom to explore new teaching techniques and methods without being held back by a rigid school curriculum. So, there you have it, folks. Home education in a nutshell. Customization, flexibility, privacy, individual attention, and freedom. What more could you want for your child's education? It may require a bit more work and dedication on your part, but the benefits are truly immeasurable. Happy home educating.